Hey guys, we received this gutter cleaning tools for test and try. This is from the ground 12.7 feet long, adjustable gutter cleaner and brush. Low, no ladder needed and is a gutter clean out tool which make it easy to clean your leaves. So in the fall when there are leaves in your gutters or the side of the homes, you can easily clean with this system. You can see all this adjustable or the extension rod, and there are two brushes that comes with it, and you can easily use them to clean up. These are little hard so that it can easily clean. So extension rod is easy to clean with this thing. So here you can see the extension rod, and this can go up to 12.7 feet, 10 pieces, or external pole attachment. So the installation is pretty easy. Just twist around with the each and every part, and then it's good to go. So these are the nice bristles to clean up the leaves. So here I'm just showing you the total length. This is for the first level that I'm going to clean. So you can see like it can easily clean the leaves from the ground. You don't need to climb on a ladder or anything like that. Just easily put that one because right now there is no leaves, and then you can also extend this up to the roof, and here you can see. So the level 1, and then you can go up to the top level so that you can easily clean it from the ground. There you don't need to clean up or go on the ladder and do the things. So it's pretty easy and good and very effective in cleaning the leaves, and pretty nice and safe too. So this is pretty good, and I like this gutter cleaner where you can easily clean and do the leaves things.